Yo, what's going on, guys? Today is a different kind of video. I'm trying out something new. I don't know, I saw someone do it and I was like, that looks amazing, I want to try it. So I have the 360 camera set up and I also have an internal camera set up, so we'll see how that looks. And we're gonna get some clips of me, driving around, legally, nothing illegal. And yeah, so I hope you guys do enjoy the video. If you do, smash that subscribe button and smash that like, because the more people that enjoy this kind of content, the more often I'll be making this type of content. Yeah, I don't know what type of content you guys like. If you guys like this type of content, let me know. If you guys like the POV type of content, also let me know, because I love making content for you guys. So just let me know what type of content you guys exactly want to see, and I'll be making it. Oh, at least radar's going off. Need to behave. We made a little discovery that we thought my bumper was cracked or hit or something, but turns out it was from a video we recorded earlier today, and it wasn't actually a crack, so that's good. Got lucky there. Anyways, back to driving. We're coming to a tunnel, and of course, you know what happens in the tunnels. What happens in the tunnel stays in the tunnels, you know what I mean? That's actually insane. I hope you guys did enjoy the content. We are going to head home now. I will still be recording a little bit, but I will be stopping the recording once we do get closer. So I don't know when that will be. It might be random. I might say goodbye. I don't know yet. I have no plans right now. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure you smash that subscribe button, because I love recording this kind of videos. I actually enjoy recording this. And I know if you guys are stuck around till now, you also enjoy this content, so. Anyways, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I will be ending the video here. We're getting close, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. I might be making more of these kind of content.